In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation menu to Shopify. A clear navigation menu helps shoppers find what they need fast, which can boost engagement and sales. You'll do everything right inside your Shopify admin, and the process is quick once you know where to click. Start by opening your Shopify store and signing into your admin dashboard. You'll see the main navigation panel on the left side of the screen, which is where we'll work. From that left panel, click Content. This is the area where Shopify keeps resources like files and navigation. Within Content, click Menu. This takes you to your menus list, the place that holds things like your main menu and footer menu. If this is your first time here, don't worry, it's simply a hub for creating and managing menus that your theme can display. Next, click Create Menu. This opens a new blank menu that you can name and build out. Think of a menu as a container that holds the links you want visitors to use. Give this menu a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, something like Main Menu, Collections, or Help Center, depending on its purpose. Names are internal, but picking a thoughtful label helps you stay organized long-term. Now click Add Menu. In some versions of the admin, this might appear as Add Menu Item. Either way, you're adding the individual links that will show up to shoppers. A panel will open where you can enter the name or label for the link. Keep labels short and intuitive, words like shop, new arrivals, contact, or about work well. Under link, you can search your store for an existing destination, such as a product, collection, page, or blog, or paste a full URL if you're pointing to an external site. Searching is helpful because Shopify ensures the link points to the correct internal resource, and it's easy to update later. Add as many items as you need, repeating the label and link steps for each one. As you build, think about the order of your items from most important to least important. Clarity beats cleverness here, and consistency in naming helps customers scan quickly. When you're done, click Save. Saving commits your menu and its items so they're ready to use. Your theme controls where menus appear, so once saved, you can view your storefront and refresh to see the changes take effect. If you don't immediately see your new menu, that's normal. Menus are assigned by the theme settings, and you can always return to this screen to edit, add, or remove items later. That's all it takes to add a navigation menu to Shopify.